Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and in this video we are going to discuss GATE CS 2014 question number 65 from compiler design. Question is one of the purpose of using intermediate code in compilers is to option A, that is make parsing and semantic analysis simpler. Option B, improve error recovery and error reporting. Option C, increase the chances of reusing the machine independent code optimizer in other compilers. Or option D, improve the register allocation. So intermediate code generation is basically when we get output from semantic analysis phase, right? Semantic analysis phase. Our goal is to minimize that code, so that code can be reused frequently whenever required, right? So to reuse the code, we use intermediate code generation in compiler, so that it can reduce our code into it can convert our code into the intermediate form, so that we can reuse it whenever we are required, right? So option A, that making parsing and semantic analysis simpler, it is not the option because it is the output of semantic analysis phase itself. So option A is out of the context. Improve error recovery and error reporting. Nothing is in the relation of error recovery and error reporting for intermediate code. That is why it is also out of the option. And improving register allocation, no. Option C is the correct answer, that increase the chances of reusing the machine independent code optimizer, because this intermediate code generation phase, basically it is platform dependent, to make platform independent, right? OS per plus architecture, right? Operating system plus architecture independent. So to make our code operating system and architecture independent, so that we can reuse this code whenever we require, right? Whenever required on other compiler as well. So increase the chances of reusing machine independent code optimizer in other compilers. So option C is the correct answer.